This is a short video showing you some different ways that you can make your household items last longer, and you'll save money as well. First, with dishwasher soap, instead of filling the container the whole way, just fill it with half or a fourth. I personally use about 2 tablespoons and have done that for years, and I've had no trouble at all with any of our dishes. So you figure out what you feel comfortable with and use less. Next, with washing dishes by hand, rinse off all the dishes during the day and wash them once a day in the same soapy water at one time. With laundry soap, use half to a fourth, just like with dishwasher soap. And my clothes have turned out well still with using much less. Another thing is to smell and check for stains before washing clothes, so you won't have to wash so many clothes that don't need it. That will save you money as well as time. Next is with washing your hair. Wash your hair every other day instead of every day. Last is with soap. Try and dilute it just a bit to the point that you feel comfortable. Hope these tips help, and good luck with your quarantine.